Are you ready to stop putting things off and finally create something amazing? I know I am. Sometimes I think about purpose and passion, and maybe you've gotten asked, what is your purpose? What is your passion? I believe that passion is a moment to moment, a present moment phenomenon. So if you don't really know what it is that you want to create, you just have this feeling inside you that you do want to create. I want you to keep in mind one thing, and that is every moment passion is present. Every moment your joy is staring you in the face. Yes, I know you were thinking, well, I don't feel joyous all the time, and that is okay. But any option that is given you, there's always a feeling attached to making the decision. And when you make that decision based on this feeling of, just even if it's just a little bit, joy, passion, elation, enthusiasm, you start and enter creator mode. And I love creator mode because we are creators. So, are you ready to stop putting things off and finally start creating something amazing? I challenge you to follow your passion as much as you can, to the furthest extent that you can. And whatever is the outcome is your creation. You don't necessarily have to take up an art or a craft in order to be a creator. You just have to know who you truly are. And that creation is not necessarily based on an outcome, but on what gets you excited to do. For you see, every action creates a ripple into the future. There's only the present moment. Though the past is gone and the future is yet to exist, in this moment, you are a creator. We live in a world right now where we're consuming so much. You know, I put on my Instagram, I pull it up, and there is just so much noise. And some of it just distracting, some of it annoying, some of it confusing, some of it makes me even angry. But the more I consume, the more I learned that the time to create is now, especially in this day and age where your voice matters. So, are you ready to create something amazing and to stop putting things off? The more you do it, the harder it gets. See, these videos aren't easy, but I know I have a duty, and that is to create as I speak. And I feel like you have the same duty, and everybody, to create. Create more, consume less. It doesn't matter what you know. It matters what you do with what you know. And every single moment, passion is present. And with this passion, we create. So when you're confronted with the next crossroads, just know that the right fork in the road is one, passion, and two, the secret agent, the secret weapon, intuition. And I feel like both of these combined, you can't go wrong, no matter the outcome. Even if you fail, you don't know what that failure is in the grand scheme of things, because often we have to fail in order to succeed. successful failure. So, are you ready to stop putting things off and to start creating something amazing? It's going to take courage, but I promise you, it is well worth it. It is your divine birthright. It is all of our divine birthrights to be creators and to push this narrative forward by virtue of your individuality and who you are and how you show up in the world. So it's time to stop consuming so much and to begin life in creator mode. Are you ready to stop putting things off and to start creating something amazing? We need you.